It's also amazing today on the 16th of May 2025. We have Porvoonkatu 20 to 22 stickers week. You can also watch the stickers here. The switch and finish outside here. As it should be, this has been built in late 1963 by Kone with EP6 pictures. Finished in 1964. It has the hang cap panel here, and everything is in switch and finish here as it should be.
Yeah.
Very good. And the symbol is 11583. Stick the rats here. It's lighter inside here. Sticker is A is a bit darker inside.
Yeah.
I love the sensor as well here.
Same here.
Also in Alphyda Healthcare Sports Husman in Finland, close to Linnanmäki, Bordebacken Museum Park.
Niistä pakkivaisi, kun täältä me eteenpäin pahissiin.
And that her hang cap panel here.
Yeah.